The spread of coronavirus and the subsequent lockdown has severely affected the lives of people in Pakistan-occupied Kashmir. The health crisis has not only taken away the meager salaries they would earn, but has also forced them to live confined to their homes where there is no electricity. People are still facing hours of power cuts, and that has compounded the frustration and has made life more miserable. Naib, a local in Hatiambala town, says that powerhouse is right there in the center, but nearby villages and the markets of the town never get enough electricity. He appeals authorities to immediately act.
बिजली की लोड शेडिंग बहुत होती है हटियाबाला के मरकजी गांव इधर इलाके में बाज़ार में, तो इसका कोई हल निकाला जाए। तो बाकी इधर लोकल गांव में तो होती है, ये पावर स्टेशन है जो गोराबाद, उसकी बिजली होती है यहाँ के इर्द गाँव में। गोराबाद होती है, सराई होती है, नोगरा होती है, यहाँ पे ये जगल जगह का नाम है, इधर भी होती है बिजली पावर स्टेशन पर। तो इधर मेन बाज़ार जो है इसमें बिजली की थोड़ी जो है लोड शेडिंग बहुत ज़्यादा होती है। ये दानिश अदारा है इसका पीछे गाँव, तो वहाँ पे भी बहुत ज़्यादा लोड शेडिंग होती है बिजली की, तो इसका कोई हल निकाला जाए।
The states across the world are overwhelmed with power owing to lockdown, as the industries and facilities that consume the power most are shut. So, the electricity supply for domestic usage has been increased all around, but not in POK. In such a helpless situation, some of them have even flouted the lockdown. Another resident, Javed, says people are forced to steal power as the bills for the limited electricity are exorbitantly high.
बिजली की सूरत हाल ठीक नहीं है और तारों में बहुत ज़्यादा लोड शेडिंग है, जिसकी वजह से जंपर उड़ जाते हैं।
Javed also says that there are many places where just 2 to 3 hours of power is available in the entire day. Locals blame the government working at the behest of Islamabad for the situation. The misery and mistreatment are, however, not new to the people of illegally occupied POK. They are deprived of their rights and resources for over 7 decades. Pakistan has indiscriminately exploited the land, water and minerals of the region and continues to do it today, but has deliberately denied the natives a dignified life. It is not just the electricity, but people in occupied Kashmir are deprived of almost fundamental needs and rights.